Good morning,
ma'am.
Good morning, my dear students.
Which
Today,
book?
yes, Maths
Good
notebook.
morning, ma'am.
Please take your Maths notebook and be ready for today's class.
Max workbook.
Workbook no need today, that we will do it in the next class. Okay, so today we have to write in the Maths notebook. So last class we started the word problems. Have you all remember? The step-by-step problems we started. We wrote some steps for the word problem, isn't it? And in the last class, we studied the properties of addition. Have you all remember the properties of addition? Yes or no? Yes. So which are the properties we studied in the last class?
Zero property, one property.
Yes. Zero property of addition, after number property, and commutative property. Okay. So listen. Prithvi, can you tell one example for zero property of addition? Can you tell one example?
Can I tell? Zero.
Which one?
5.
5 plus 0 is equal to?
5.
5. Very good, Prithvi. Correct answer. Okay, next for Alna, Arun. Please tell one example for after number property. After number property. One example.
40 plus 1 is equal to 50.
Alna. One example for after number property.
4 plus 1.
Yes, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. That is the after number property. Okay, very good, Alna.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
Sai Krishna. Sai Krishna,
ma'am.
please tell one example for commutative property. Commutative property. Can you tell one example? 5 plus?
5 plus 4.
Yes, 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay.
9.
Yes. Then how to change the order? We can change the order, isn't it? 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Then 4 plus
4 plus
5.
5 is 9.
Yes. 4 plus 5 also 9. So we can change the order while adding, but the sum remains the same, isn't it? That is commutative property. Okay. After that, we started the word problem.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, my dear. Welcome. So last class, we started how to write the steps for the word problem. Good morning. Good morning. Isn't it? So in the last class, we discussed one addition story. What was that? Yes, there was a, yes, some biscuits are there, isn't it? Yes, very good. Some orange biscuits and some vanilla biscuits were there in the shop. And what we done that class, we added the numbers in the, and find out the total number of biscuits in the shop, isn't it? Yes. So that class we studied how to write the numbers, how to write the steps for the word problem. How to start the steps? We can start the steps with number of, isn't it? Number of biscuits, orange biscuits, number of vanilla biscuits. And what is the third step? Total number of biscuits, isn't it? Yes. So we done one question in the last class. So all of you, please take your Maths notebook and mute your mic. Everyone, please mute your mic. Okay, this one we studied in the last class, properties of addition, zero property of addition, after numbers property, and commutative property. That we already finished. And this one is the word problem we discussed in the last class, isn't it? In a class, some girls and boys are there, and we studied how to write the steps for the word problem. Just a revise in the last class portion, that is how to write the steps. All of you, please listen. We will discuss it once more.
This is for standard book.
No. This is another book. So please listen. What is the question here? Here you can see how many girls, 32 girls and 21 boys are there in class 1A. And what we have to find out here? Here we have to find out the total number of children in the class. So we have already studied how to write the steps. We can start with number of, isn't it? Number of, then what is here in the question? Girls. So that's why we wrote here number of girls equal to 32. And what is the next step we studied? Next one it is boys. So we can write here the next step is number of boys equal to 21. And the last step we have to find out the total number of children, isn't it? So total number of children is equal to 31 plus 20, 32 plus 21. Yes. So this one we already discussed in the last class. And this one also we discussed, isn't it, my dears? Have you remember? Yes or no?
Did not did this, ma'am.
Okay, so please read the question, everyone. Krishank, please read this question, my dear. Krishank. What is the question here?
Mina's read properly.
Mina's necklace has?
Mina's necklace has
36 beads. Yes. And Tina's necklace has 51 beads. Okay. So what we have to find out here? How many beads are there in all? Isn't it? So here in this question, what is telling about? It is telling about beads in a necklace. Isn't it? In this question, it is telling about beads in a necklace. So here you can see 36 beads in Mina's necklace, Tina's necklace, 51 beads. So according to that, we have to write the steps for the word problem. Yes. So first, how to start? We have to start with number of. Number of what is given here? 36. Mina's necklace has 36 beads. So we can write the first step is number of beads in Mina's necklace. No need to write now. All of you please listen. Keep your pencils down and listen carefully. Number of beads in Mina's necklace. How many are there? 36. Okay.
Answer.
Yes, you already got the answer. Very good. Then what is the next step? Number of beads in Tina's necklace. How many are there? 51. Yes. Okay. Then what is the last step?
What is the necklace bead? Total number of
Yes. Total number of beads. And if you want to find out, yes, if you want to find out the total number of beads, what we should do, we have to add the numbers. For finding total, we have to add the numbers. Okay, whatever is there in the question, for finding the total, we have to add the numbers. Yes, 36 plus 51. And we got the answer.
I think 6 plus
No. Yes, 6 plus 1 is 7. 5 plus 3 is 8. 87. Okay.
Answer is 87.
Yes, and this one we discussed, we already wrote in the Max notebook. Okay, so are you ready to write today's questions? Yes, my dears? Okay, so please take your Max notebook. We are going to write. We are going to write the next question. So take a new page.
And the date?
Yes, what is today's date? Yes, today is November 1st.
Number 1.
Yes. Okay, so please.
Our school is started.
Okay. So please write today's date. And I'm going to write the next question. So please write along with me. Okay, everyone? So write question number 2.
I'm not heading.
No.
What? Because
Okay, so start writing. There are. Please write. There are 49.
Look, Mama, it's not finish.
So take another book, my dear.
One
There.
page. Leave.
No need to leave.
One page leave.
You taken a new notebook? Yes or no?
One page, it please leave.
Okay. So leave one page. There are 49 storybooks. And 35 art books. Storybooks and art books are there. Okay. In a shelf.
Ma'am, art book meaning?
Art book, which book you are drawing pictures and all, isn't it? You are drawing book.
Where's spelling for?
Okay, so please write. There are 49 storybooks and 35 art books in a shelf. How many?
Ma'am, story spelling?
S-T-O-R-Y.
S-T-O-R-Y.
Ma'am.
You
can't see the board, my dear?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Yes, so please write. How many books?
Ma'am, you do not send Ishan's contact that time.
That is, Ishan is not ready, I think. In the last class, he told me about like that. Ishan is not ready.
M-A-N-Y. What is M-A-N-Y?
M-A-N-Y.
Any.
Many. How many books are there?
How many books are there?
In the shelf.
Ma'am,
See, those who finished, please be silent. Okay. How many books are there in the shelf? You have to wait for the others. So this is our second question. That is our next word problem. So if you are getting a word problem, what all things you have to check first? First, you have to read the question carefully. Okay? You have to read the question carefully, and what all the things are there in the question, you have to understand that. So in this question, what all things are there in this question? Elroy Joby. In this question, what all things you can see? It is telling about what?
49.
Yes.
Storybooks.
Storybooks and art books, isn't it? In this question, it is telling about storybooks and art books. Okay. So when we are writing the steps for the word problem, we have to focus that area. Okay. So please write the question, everyone. So here it is telling about 49 storybooks and 35 art books. So when we are writing the numbers, the steps for the word problems, we have to use these things. It is telling about books. Okay. So I'm going to write the first step. So in the last class, we studied how to write the steps, isn't it? So Shankar, can you tell how to write the first step for our word problem, Shankar? How to start the step? How to start? Which word we have to use there? We have to start with number.
Number?
Yes, number of.
Can I say?
Yes.
Now, how should start of number of storybooks?
Yes. So here you can see the first number is 49 storybooks. So we can write the first step is number of Number of
Number
storybooks.
of storybooks.
Yes, this is our first step for the word problem. Equal to 49.
That's what right, ma'am?
Yes, yes. All of you write. Those who finish the question, you can start writing the answer. Sankalp, are you writing? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, please write the first step.
Write the question mark.
Question mark also there, yes.
Ma'am, word problem, right?
Yes, that is the second question. No, my dear. I have told you that you have to start the question. First, write the question. After that only, we have to write the answer. That's why I gave some time to write it, isn't it? Please copy.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay. So you can think of the answer. What is the next step? You can please check the next. Shankar, finish? Yes, okay.
Ma'am, finish.
Those who finish, those who finish, please be silent. Let everyone complete.
Ma'am, can I write the answer?
Yes.
No need to write any.
Now we wrote only the first step, isn't it? Number of storybooks. And Hamdan, can you tell me the second one?
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the second step? After the storybooks, we can see the next books are art books.
Art books.
Yes. So how to write this next step? How to start? Number of art
books.
Yes, very good. Number of art books. Okay, please write. Equal to how many are there? 35.
Write that answer once in the place.
Then now our first two steps completed. Then one more step is there, isn't it? What we have to find out in this question? We have to find out the total number of books, isn't it? The total number of books.
And I can see the board.
What happened? Maybe the network issue. You're facing any network issue? That's why. Rukma, my dear, can you please tell me the third step? What we have to write here?
Number of.
Is it number of?
What? Number of. Heading, right? And can I say number of total?
Yes, total number of. We have to start with total number of. Okay. Total number of books. Total number of books equal to 49 plus 35.
Okay, ma'am.
So for finding the total, what we have to do? We have to add the numbers and we can arrange this numbers. Yes, yes. We have to write tens and ones. Arrange the numbers according to the place. Tens and ones. Arrange the numbers 49 plus 35.
Ma'am, someone is class.
Yes, yes. Please mute your mic, everyone. Mute your device.
I don't have space, so can I go to the next page and
Okay,
write?
yes, sure. Check the next page and write. And while adding, what all things you have to check? While adding the numbers, you should start from the ones place. Yes or no? While adding the numbers, we have to start from the ones place. So which are the ones place numbers here? The ones place numbers are 9 and 5. Olivia, please tell me, my dear, how to add this one. 9 plus 5. What is the answer of 9 plus 5?
94.
9 plus 5. I'm asking about this ones place only. Others, please be silent. I'm asking to Olivia. So, Olivia, how to tell the answers? Others, please mute your mic. Okay, Olivia, please tell. 9 plus 5 is 4. Please check it. 9 in your mind. 5 on the fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, 14 is a 2-digit number, isn't it? So where we have to write it? By the side of the question, isn't it? It's a 2-digit number. Then what to do? We can cut the ones place number 4 and write in the ones column. 1 we should carry over to the tens. Then what to do, Olivia? Next we have to add the tens place all the numbers. First add 1 plus 4. 5. Okay. So 5 plus the next number 3. 5 plus 3. 8. So we got the answer as 84. So how many total books are there in the shelf? 84. So we can write here equal to 84. Okay, so have you all understood how to write a word problem steps? A step-by-step problem it is, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Well, what is the thing?
So what all things you are getting is a word problem. First, you have to read the question carefully, and what all things are there. It is telling about books. Sometimes it may be other things. Some animals, monkeys or donkeys or parrots, butterflies, whatever it is, we have to write the steps in a proper way. Okay? Who is?
Ma'am, should we write the 5?
Yeah, now our second question over, isn't it?
Ma'am, should we write the 5?
5. Where is the 5? This one. No. Just one example I showed. No need to write like that. You have already studied how to add the numbers, isn't it? So you can write like this way. No need to write. Yes, we regroup here. Here we regroup the numbers. So next I'm going to give the next question number 3. Please continue. Okay. Next question. I'm going to write the next question number 3. Question number. Okay, sure. There are 32 blue bags. So what do you understand here? It is telling about bags, isn't it? 32 blue bags and...
Ma'am, now finish.
Okay. And...
Ma'am, new page.
Okay, you can take, if space is there, you can continue, my dear. And 47 black bags. In a shop.
Ma'am, the Hima ma'am will come next year?
Yes. Why? What happened?
Ma'am, what happened, Hima ma'am?
Okay. Find the
Ma'am.
Yes.
What happened, Shima ma'am?
She got a baby, my dear.
Okay.
Find the total number of, please write, please listen the question carefully and write it neatly. Find the total number of bags in the shop. So when you're getting a question, what all things you have to check first? First read the question carefully and understand the things, what all things are there in the question. So here it is telling about bags. There are two colors of bags are there, blue and black. And for finding the total, we should add the numbers. So after this chapter, we will study subtraction chapter also. So while we are studying that subtraction, sometimes you may be confused. So in the addition itself, you have to be thorough with that. Total means you have to add. Okay.
Ma'am?
Yes?
My sister is confusion in subtraction.
Yes. So sometimes you are getting subtraction stories like this addition stories. Subtraction stories also will be there. So for the exam and all, it may be confusing.
I don't know subtraction.
So while seeing this total, find the total or how many are there all together. All these words, if you are seeing, you can understand that is this addition question. You have to add the numbers. Okay. And
write subtraction stories, we will think it's a plus addition story and we will write the addition.
Yes. Nilha, are you there? Please switch on the video, my dear. Nilha, Sia, Devarsh. So many are there. Why the videos are off? Please switch on your videos. Everyone. And write the question. Okay, Abhinav, please read, my dear, the third question. Abhinav TS, please read this question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
There are 30 blue bags and 47 black bags in a shop. Find the total number of bags in the shop.
Okay, so what is the question? What is telling about? What is telling about?
52 plus 47.
No, I'm asking in this word problem, it is telling about the bags, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am, the blue bags and
blue bags and black bags. Okay, so how to write the steps? How to write the steps? So you can see here 32 blue bags and 47 black bags. So we understand how to write the steps. We have to start the number of, isn't it? We have to start it with number of
blue bags.
Yes, that is our first step. Number of blue bags. So the answer is start with number of.
I don't have
Number of blue bags.
I don't have place.
Take the next page, my dear. If you don't have space, what we will do? No need to ask it. You can take the next page and write. Number of blue bags. How many are there? 32.
32 blue bags.
Okay, so write equal to 32. Number of blue bags equal to 32.
47 black bag in a shop.
In a shop. Yes. Right.
In a shop.
Please write the first step, everyone. Please write the first step.
Fardeen answered. Number.
Fardeen, finish.
Number of bags and 47.
Sarah, self-in, finish. Sarah,
Yes, ma'am.
first step over.
Yes.
Can you tell the second one? How to write the second step?
Number of
Number of black bags. Very good. The second step is number of
47.
black bags. Others, please mute your mic. It is very disturbing, the class. Some noise is coming there. Somebody is talking in between. So please mute your device. And how many black bags are there? 47.
47.
Ananya, finish. Ananya, what happened? Have you completed the answer?
Ma'am, I have completed all.
Okay.
I have not completed.
Now those who didn't complete, please write.
The third step is total number of bags.
Yes, very good. The third step is total number of bags.
Finish.
Total number of bags. And what we should do here, we have to add 32 and 47. Isn't it? 32 plus 47. And arrange the numbers in the correct place. Arrange the numbers in the correct place, tens and ones column. 32 plus
32 plus 47.
47. And add. Okay.
79. Is the answer.
Okay, okay, very good.
Can we write on by? Ma'am, should we write on by ourselves the answer?
Now write yourself. Write the answer. Please write.
Please have the board. I cannot see. Board is drawing.
Is Alna present? Alna?
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Anna, Aman Babu? Avish Boban? Naumiga?
Ma'am, 49 is the answer. Ma'am.
Okay. Esther Biju? Esther? Ivania Rose?
Present, ma'am. Hello, Hadia.
Hadia Fatima?
Ma'am.
Yes. Hala Shirin? Hala?
Hello, Hadia.
Jeffron? Jeffron Jinto?
Present, ma'am.
Present. Okay. Kevin?
Hello, Hadia.
Is Kevin present?
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay.
Hadia say answer.
Ah, yes. What is the answer? 79. Yes, 79 is the answer. Okay, very good. So listen, my dears. Today we studied how to write the word problem, how to find out the word problem answer. So how to find out the word problem's answer? There are some steps to write, isn't it? There are 3 steps. So first 2 steps we will start with number of, and the last step we will start with total number of. Okay. So study well, and today I hope everyone clear today's portion. Yes or no? Is there any doubt?
No.
Okay. So we will continue this in the next class. Okay, children.
We
Thank
did
you.
3 questions. We did 3 questions.
We will do it in the next class. Okay. So bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.